Today we will start with the superposition principle. The meaning here is that the effect of different charges over a single charge. The statement of principle of superposition is covered over here. That is the force on any charge, and here in this diagram you can see that charge is q1, and we have to see the effect of different charges like q2, q3, q4 and q5 over q1. Here I have assumed that these all charges are positive, hence the forces of repulsion only will work. Like you already know that like charges repel and unlike charge attract. So this is the force acting over q1. In previous lecture I have already told you how to write the force acting over a single charge due to other charge. Refer to that. Now here we are using the term vector sum because force is a vector quantity. So we will take use of vector sum, or you can also recall parallelogram law of addition of vectors, where we used to take two vectors once at a time. Now just for the sake of writing this mathematical expression, the total force on q1 due to q2, q3, q4, q5 as shown in this diagram. Mind you, there is no fixed distance or pattern between the charges I have taken, can be given by f12. Last day I told you that f12 means 1 is the final point and 2 is the initial point. Similarly here 3 is the initial point, 3 is the initial point and 1 is the final point. Similarly f15 means force is experienced by q1 because of q5 and it will act in this direction. Now all these forces are written with the help of vector form of Coulomb's law. I have taken 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught outside bracket. This is the bracket starting, and the multiple of q1, q2 for this first relation, and the square of the distance between them. Modular sign is there and square, and as force is a vector quantity, to show the direction I have taken a unit vector having the same direction as r12, but its magnitude is 1, so it won't affect the calculation. Similarly q1, q3 is for the force acting between q1 and q3, represented by f13, and again unit vector r13 plus then this 4 and this 5. Now this entire expression can also be summarized with the help of this sigma notation. q1 can be taken out of this bracket as well. 4 pi epsilon naught is already there, and epsilon naught is the permittivity of the medium, and epsilon naught stands for vacuum or dry air, that is the charge between Q1 and Q2, and I equals to 2. I am starting 2 C2, then it will substitute by 3, 4 and 5. So n from 2 to n numbers. Suppose in future we will take n number of charges, that can be written. Now after this is the form, mathematical form, a way of writing the mathematical form. Taking clue from this one, we will solve a question which is given in your textbook on page number 16. So move on to that one.